Hello, this is Tara from momcandoanything.com, and this is a super easy DIY home decor idea for you. These are some old books that I've had forever. They are just reference books or textbooks that I had in law school, and I'm just painting them, and I'm going to use them in my just everyday decor. I did some gray colors and I did some black using chalkboard paint, and I did some white ones with chalk paint. The gray I used enamel paint, and that was the best. It coated well with one coat and it adhered well to the covers of the books. The white took several coats, and probably just because the covers were darker colors, but all of them looked nice when they were done. I just, as you can see, painted the covers and then went back and did the edges and the edge of the inside of the covers. And once they were dry, I used them on my mantles, and they just gave some height and some different levels to some decor. I've seen them also where you might stamp or paint or stencil a title on the spine of the book. I chose not to do that at this point, but it might be something that I come back in and do later. I did see a set of books tied together with Christmas theme titles on them, and I liked that idea. But for now, I've just got the plain solid colors, the gray, the black, and the white. And like I said, I just use them around the house in some everyday decor. I have them mostly on my fireplace mantles and hearths, but I also have some in the guest room to give some height to some lamps. So this was super easy, something you can try, especially if you've got some old books hanging around, and you can paint them to match whatever color you would like. So give it a try. Thanks for watching.